spin here. Nobody else has been up this road. Not the road I'm on right now, but the Riley Lake Road. Like really nobody has been on that road. Just the RVs. And this is a road that's skirting the edge of the forest. Oh yeah. Let's drive down here a little bit. That looks like a perfect spot right there. Don't get stuck in that shit. We thought the tow truck out here would be pretty expensive. Oh, look at that street. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, this is perfect out here. Look at this. Well, kids, I'll say we found it. Little waterway there. Seemed a little bit nicer spot because it was like big and wide. It looked like I was the first one to stay here, but I'm the first one in the line. Tell you, good things come to those who wait. So let's check this out. All right, so here we are. See, I knew if I looked. That's the key. The key is getting in with time to look around. So, but I'm not the first one to ever come here. It's like some less than they left me some wood. It's a nice little spot here. So got a nice little spot. I think I'll set up the tent. So I need to get that going, but let's take a look around here. It's sad. You come out to a place that's this far away and you're still finding junk that people have thrown away. Let's go up here. Nice. See, this is what I'm talking about. So, no one, as far as the eye can see. But we've got some work ahead of us, so let's get to going because I gotta get some firewood cut up, and I gotta get the tent set up, and then we gotta get a fire going. So fortunately, we got a nice fire pit to put it in. But yeah, this is gonna be perfect. Check out the sky. I don't know if I'll have any rain tonight or not. It was supposed to have rained all day and then gone away, so, but stand of trees over there. This is all part of the clear cut. I think they left that part there to kind of grow in, so you can see the road if you look. It's like right along there. It's the road we came in on, Riley Lake Road. So let's get to work. Okay, setting up the tent. Just I don't necessarily have to record setting up the tent. Uh-oh.
Two hours later.
All right, we're up. We got a big downpour, so I'm soaked. I don't know if you can hear that or not. That's raccoons. Those are raccoons. I don't know if you can hear them. I'm hoping you can. I'm trying to get firewood ready now. Swallowed a bug. The rain washed all the bug spray off, so I had to reapply it. And it brought out a shit ton of mosquitoes, so I'm trying to get a fire going. All right, fire going. Oh, nothing ever goes the way you plan it to, ever. So I got the fire going. I really would like to eat something, but I gotta cook it first. Fire was a little bit harder than usual simply because it just downpoured, which made it kind of difficult because everything was wet. But as you can see, I got it done. So I'm hoping that my microphone dried out. It was making a crackling noise because there was probably water in it from the downpour portion of the program. But the sun has gone down. Aside from the odd raccoon, I've not heard anything but the Michigan birds. I need to figure out what birds they are. They have almost a metallic sound to them when they make their bird noise. I don't know if you can hear them, they're in the background. I almost wonder if that's what people are saying, that they're hearing, that this metallic sound. They have a really weird bird call. On the menu tonight, mashed potatoes and gravy with sirloin medallions. I can hear the camping traditionalists losing their minds when I whip out the Bob Evans mashed potatoes, ready to go. You know what? I don't care. There's one thing I've learned in all my year on the internet is that you can please some of the people some of the time, but there's a shit ton of people who aren't going to be happy no matter what you do. So this fire is just about ready. I need a pan. So I have these little guys here. I'm going to take oh, that's a cover. Take these two here. Might need a cover. Uh-oh, here a car. I'm gonna go over on the hill, see if I can see the car. Yep, I see it. There's a truck. Continuing on its merry way. All right. Well, that went off without a hitch. Let's hope it continues that way. All right. I need a light. Okay. Well, gang, the whole point of this camp is that the BFRO posted a sighting by some people who are visiting the area and said they saw something off on the side of the road. So there was no way of them mistaking it or anything like that. And that was, I mean, reasonably speaking, not far from here. One could reasonably say in the neighborhood. So I've been intentionally quiet. When I first stayed out here, I thought I heard elk, but I'm not positive. It was something I couldn't explain in the middle of the night, followed by owls all night long. Owls would be great, but I saw a bunch of ravens when I came in here. I tried getting some pictures of them, but it did not seem to, they didn't want to hang around when they saw me stop. So, I don't know. There's a lot of people that like to shoot at ravens. Crow hunting. It's like a sport out here or something. Farmers don't like them because they like mess with their crops. So. All right, well, the rain and me being soaked is probably going to necessitate me needing to change clothes again. All right, well, batteries for the audio are charging, so I am, ow, there we go. Dinner is ready. I apologize for the lighting and issues. Mashed potatoes and gravy. Yum. But because I forgot forks, I can't cut it and eat it like a civilized person. It's okay, you know I'm a savage. You can almost see the stars. The sky's kind of cloudy, so. I can hear a car in the distance. No, that's highway. There's a car on the highway. I thought it was coming down that road. I don't know. I'm down inside of a little, like, sunken area. But I don't know how much light I'm throwing up into the air. I'm gonna turn this off. So I'm throwing quite a bit of light. Go figure, for a place with, you know, zero light in it. So I'm gonna cut this down. Oh, my hair. I don't give a fuck. All right, well, if I was Squib, I would say coming to you from the Squib Shack. I'm not in the Squib Shack, though. What would be my... I'm in the tent. So, what you didn't... all the parts you didn't see... Hold on. There we go. All the parts you didn't see... Me getting downpoured on... I might have caught some of that because I had to like I had to get the umbrella out of the Jeep quickly and put it over the camera. What I didn't know was that when it rained, I thought that the tent was like all sealed up and so nothing got into it. Well, I was wrong. Probably about 2 cups of water got into it. So when I opened it up to put the sleeping bag in, yeah, I realized there was 2 cups of water rolling around in there. So I had to empty that out. Then I had to like search the Jeep to find some towels to dry the inside of here, so that way I could put my semi-wet sleeping bag back in here, because I stuck the sleeping bag in here and didn't realize it was sitting in water until I like stuck my hand in. I'm like, what the hell? So I had to stoke the fire back up to dry out the towels again. So this is making my neck sore. So, but light breeze. Been some crazy fireflies. I think I saw a satellite. I tried filming it with the camera, but I don't think I have the kind of camera that I can do that with. So I'll look at it later, but it's probably all just blackness and nothing like recorded. So now I'm in the tent. I'm getting ready to go to sleep. Yeah, so pretty uneventful night, but you know, that's nice. I'll cue you up if there's any craziness in the middle of the night. But you know, barring the odd raccoon or other night creature, it's been pretty quiet. So there hasn't really been anything but raccoons, and I think there's like a squirrel or something out in the woods that keeps chirping every now and then. Keeps making squirrel sounds. But yeah, all of my wet clothes are in here, and I got it pretty much dry. And the fire is going down, and so I'm about to try to like brush as much of the dirt and mud off of me as I can, climb into the sleeping bag, and go to sleep. Because it's like 1 in the morning right now, so. But if anything happens between now and sun in the morning, I will cue you up and we'll have a listen. You know, if any Sasquatches start chattering or whatever in the middle of the night. So, but if not, yeah, I will see you tomorrow. This is the stars, hopefully. I'm not seeing anything, but... All right, I'm gonna make this clip right here, right now. Check this out. All right, so I had planned on in the morning getting up and doing a good morning. Here I am. But I thought it would be cooler if I did it, after I got the fire going and I was making coffee, and I showed the coffee boiling or whatever, and then and then I was having a cup of coffee and I was like, good morning, having coffee, blah 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 blah. Well, as that was in process of happening, I decided that I was going to bushcraft a little holder because all I had was the fire there. I forgot the butane can jet stove thing, and so I was like, okay, I'm gonna take my little frame that I have and try to like notch this piece of wood out so that I can cook coffee over it, and then long of the short of it is, while I was bushcrafting, I cut myself, and so I had to basically like wrap everything up, and then get out of there so that I could get some first aid supply, because like a dumbass, I took all of my first aid supplies that I normally keep in my backpack when I go backpacking. I took all that stuff out and I had it in my work backpack, because I have a backpack for work when I go to work, which has all of my work tools in it and things that I need for work. And then normally if I go out somewhere on the weekend, I'll just transfer those things into the regular backpack that I'm using while I'm backpacking. And well, that process just didn't happen. So I had to truck out of there, drive out of the woods, and drive out to the dirt road, and then drive 30 minutes to civilization so that I could get some stuff to stop the bleeding and clean the cut, etc., etc. And so for those of you who are squeamish, this is your chance to look away in 3, 2, 1. And this is the this is the damage that was done in the morning when I cut myself. So I had to basically like yank everything up, cut everything short, and then get the heck out of there so I can get things straightened out. But if you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed what's going on here, and you're do me a favor and like and subscribe to the video, and do me a favor, leave me a comment. Also, I really would appreciate it. I enjoy the interaction with people. I've gotten a lot of great tips from my subscribers. I've actually gotten some good ideas for some stuff that people have said, hey, this would be cool if you did this, or I did this and I thought this was cool, or whatever. But please do me a favor and interact. I greatly appreciate it. This is my main way of interacting with other humans on the planet, given the fact that I'm not working with them. So, and I work. So, thanks for watching. Peace.
All it's supposed to feel.